Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Sui Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sui Wallet application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be prompted to log in using either your social accounts or by using your private key as well as seed or phrase. After logging in, you will end up within the home page. Now in this page, you will see your currently linked account at the top section. Click on the arrow button at the right side and then click on Manage. And now you will see all of your connected accounts once again. Go ahead and click on the arrow icon at the right side one more time and you will now see the Remove option. Go ahead and click on this and you will now be asked whether you are sure that you want to remove this account. Click on I saved my recovery phrase and then click on the Remove button. And now this wallet account will be deleted from the application right away. If you don't wish to access this account anymore, you can delete the recovery phrase as well. And after you delete this, your account will no longer be accessible, which means that this is now deleted. If you wish to remove all of the accounts that are currently within your application, you can click on the gear icon at the top right corner and then click on More Options, within which you will see the Reset Your Wallet option. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your wallet account on Sui Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.